Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. I wanted to show you guys a really awesome trailer we just got on the ground. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 18 Elite V Sport in a black blackout package. This one also has a bonus because it's got the torsion spread axles. So you've got two 3,500 pound torsion axles, which is going to give you guys an independent suspension under the trailer, making it ride better. And then by distributing the axles like they have with doing the spread, it can cut down on any wagging or swaying that can occur. So optimal setup. This trailer will tow absolutely amazing. You guys will love it. This one does have the black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, and then you also have the V-nose guard, which is really great. It gives you guys some nice rock protection there. Triple tube tongue on this unit as well, so it's going to tow really well with that tongue. They tie this tongue all the way back into the frame, and it really does an amazing job with how well these tow. Side door does have the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. Nice big gutter over that as well, and then you also have this door hold back, so you can pull this door back and pop it in and not worry about it slamming shut on you. This one again's got two 3,500 pound torsion axles. You also have aluminum wheels with this unit. You guys can check that out. Plus you've got the really cool spread axle skirting along the bottom of the trailer. This one does have side vents. You also have stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. Now you also have the very cool diamond plate wrap to match the front around the rear door jamb, so you guys can see right there. Gutter. And of course you've got all LED exterior running lights and strip lights. Now this one does have a 7-foot interior height, so it's going to be great for UTVs and anything that you need a little bit of extra height with. This one also has a bonus because it's got the nudo floor in it. So the nudo floor is this amazing floor. We love the nudo. It's an incredible performing floor here on the top surface, which you guys can see right here. And then underneath this has Drymax. Drymax is the product that doesn't absorb the water or the moisture, and that's what's going to be on the underneath side of your trailer as well. So this trailer is honestly super sweet because you've got a lot of little bonuses with this trailer that's going to make a big difference in the long run, and how well it tows. 4 D-rings in the floor. You've got 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front. There's the back side of that side vent. You've got another one up there in that other corner, so you've got a little bit of a natural cross ventilation through this unit as well. Overhead roof vent. 2 of the LED puck lights. These are really bright lights. They're super efficient LEDs. They've got toggle switches on them. You've got one here and one next to that side door, which is really nice. We're going to come in a little bit farther into the trailer. There's 2 more of your D-rings. Back side of this RV lock. Why this is such a nice feature is it gives you guys this piece with an actual deadbolt. So you've got a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. Light switch right here is going to turn on both of those pucks. And again, there's 2 more of those D-rings. So this trailer, you've got a 4,500 pound payload capacity. You've got a full 16-foot box plus a 2-foot B. So this trailer is going to measure 18 feet in total length. And then again, you've got the ceiling liner, the amazing floor, D-rings, and the extra height. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. We would love to earn your business. We do have shipping options available, so you guys can call and get a shipping quote. If you don't live near us, that's okay. 303-688-8485, or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.